Ready?
Yep.
Which one are we getting?
So we're gonna get the chocolate
Oh, no.
fudge.
Give this to me.
Oh, yep. Go ahead. Got it? There. So I touch the shop. We're gonna get the chocolate cake slice for $8.95.
Yes.
And then we're gonna add it to the cart. 2 servings per container, half a slice, $5.90. What a dessert. Let's add it.
Okay.
So chocolate cake slice, $8.95. We will check out. It's gonna be $9.54 after. And then you tap, you do that, you hold for 10 seconds. It's good now. And if you notice, guys, this is what I found at some of those pay stations at gas stations. Here. Ah, happy birthday to us. And that's how to use the cake machine.